Assalamualaikum, dear students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. I'm your social studies teacher of class 3 from PMS Girls 2, and this is the book of social studies class 3. Let's open your books. In the previous lecture, we have studied about lesson 11 festival. Today, we have we will study about lesson 14 religion. So, dear student, first of all, you all know about religion. What is meant by religion? Religion is the belief in or the worship of a god or gods, or you can say that the belief in or worship of a supernatural controlling power, especially a personal god or gods. So let's begin lesson 14 religion. In the past time, the different people have had different beliefs about God and how human beings should conduct their lives on earth. They are thinking about that, and these beliefs are today called religions. Religions were spread by people called prophets, you know, and who had been chosen by Allah. Allah's wishes and commands were revealed to the prophets, and some were also granted divine books. We all know that we are Muslims and our religion is Islam, and we should follow the religion Islam. The followers of Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe in one Allah. Their faith is that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah, and the holy book of Muslims is called Holy Quran. This is the picture of Holy Quran. It is also called the holy book of Muslims. And this is the worship place of Muslims where Muslims pray, and it is called Holy Kaaba. This is also the picture of Holy Kaaba. And this is the picture of a mosque, Badshahi Mosque. It is located in Lahore. So Muslims pray in a mosque. This is also the picture of Medina. So we have different religions. The next religion is Judaism. You know, Judaism is one of the oldest religion. It was preached by Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, and the holy book of Judaists or Jews are called Torah or Torah. So this is the picture of holy book of Jews. The believers of Judaism are called Jews. The Jews pray in a synagogue. So this is the picture of worship place of Jews synagogue. This is called synagogue. This is also the picture of synagogue. The next religion is Christianity. You know, Christianity is based on the teachings of Jesus Christ, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. The holy book of Christians is called Injil, or it is also called Holy Bible. This is the picture of holy book of Christians. And this is the worship place of Christians. It is called church. Christians pray in a church. This is also the picture of a church. And this is the holy book of Christians. It is also called Injil. The next religion is Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism began about 4,000 years ago in Persia with the teachings of Zoroasters, and the people follow this religion are called Zoroastrians, and they are also called Parsis. The holy books of Zoroastrianism is called Avesta, and they pray in a fire temple. This is the holy book of Zoroastrianism. This is called Avesta. And this is the worship place of Zoroastrianism, where they pray. This is a fire temple. The next religion is Hinduism. Hinduism is based on the teachings of the Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, and Bhagavad Gita. These are the books of Hinduism, holy books of Hinduism. The worship place of Hindus are called mandir. This is the worship place of Hindus. The next religion is Sikhism. Sikh follow the teachings of Guru Nanak and the nine gurus or teachers who came after him. The holy book of Sikhs is called Guru Granth Sahib. This is the picture of holy book of Sikhism. And the Sikhs worship in a temple called Gurdwara. So this is the worship place of Sikhism and it is called Gurdwara. It's also the picture of Gurdwara. The next religion is Buddhist or Buddhism. Buddhists follow the teachings of Gautama Buddha. Buddha lived in India about 2500 years ago. The religion he taught is called Buddhism. Buddhists worship in a temple. So this is the worship place of Buddhist and it is called temple. So dear student, today we have studied about 7 religions. The first religion is about Islam. The second religion is about Judaism. The third religion is about Christianity. The fourth religion is about Zoroastrianism. The fifth religion is about Hinduism. The sixth religion is about Sikhism, and the seventh religion and the last religion is Buddhist or Buddhism. So, this is the end of our lecture. Hope you all will understand. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.